Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Samosa here. So let's make this beautiful shape using orange. As you can see, we're going to cut the top portion and cut the rest part. Make the eyes and then keep it aside. After this, we're going to peel out the skin. Put this beautiful shape at the center and give it shape like this. We're going to cut small pieces of the fruit and put all of them inside, and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful food art using tomato. So take one tomato, cut it into half and then carve these small details. We're going to make the feathers of the swan. As you can see, cut small slices and then we're going to shift it like this. Now we're going to peel out the outer skin and put all of them together and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful food art. In place of this, you can also use watermelon or any other fruit. As you can see, we're going to scoop out the fruit like this, make small balls. Now we're going to make the shape of this bear and put all of them together, put all the balls inside and it's ready. Here we are going to make these beautiful rose flowers using this tomato. So we are going to take this tomato and cut the outer portions one after another and remove the center part. Now take another tomato, cut small pieces and roll it, and look, it's ready. Simply put it inside and it's ready. Let's make it. So we are going to peel out the orange and put all of them in a circle. Now you can use cucumber in place of this and cut small pieces. Now take some cherry tomatoes, cut them as well, decorate them and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.